date given our history. It's time we called for an absolute ceasefire, led in the UN, and make our words mean something and call out the narrative for what it is. And the narrative is Israel is a rogue state. It is not a democratic state. It is absolutely going. That narrative has allowed a congressman come here just 2 months ago into this room who has said, go in and beat the SHIT out of Palestine. A congressman feted by one of your colleagues and by another colleague in Fianna Fáil. How dare you shake your head? You stand up.
You have to conclude,
stand up and account for what we're going to do when you say there are war crimes and a genocide.
Yeah, thanks. I hope I'll get an extra 38 seconds as well, because there was a greatest load of palaver being levelled at me there. So you have such vitriolic dislike for Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil that you cannot ever actually come above and rise to the moment. We are the first government in the European Union to say what Israel is doing is genocide. Do you hear that, Deputy? It is genocide.
What are you going to do about it?
And we're going to pass the occupied Palestinian territory.
Good.
Okay, we're going to pass that. We're going to pass it. We're going to pass it as quickly as possible. It's going to go to the Foreign Affairs Committee in the month of June. While you're standing here just throwing brickbats at me, we're working to support the people of Palestine. And the only chamber I ever go into in the entire world where people don't acknowledge that Ireland, the government, the people of Ireland are standing with the people of Palestine, standing up for human rights, standing up for international law, is here when you get up and distort with your ideology the actions of this government. I'm proud of the people of this country. I'm proud that we went into an election and it didn't matter what party you were in. You stood up and said, we are going to support the people of Palestine. Get beyond yourself with this narrative of you have all the moral authority and we're terrible people. I'm disgusted and sickened watching children dying on our television screens. And every day I come to work and work with all people in here to do our best to show leadership at a time of horrific conflict.
Call Deputy Michael.
There you go. You're at it again. Hold your sign up.
Please, sorry. Deputy Michael Fitzmaurice.